Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, Kanani. In today's video, we just received our very first magic mail in my mailbox, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. All right guys, are you ready? This is our very first magic mail and it is called Waltlife. It is a monthly subscription box that is personalized uniquely for you, and it lets you bring the magic home. So I'm so excited to see what's inside, and let's just open it. Let's get it started. Let's go. All right guys, oh my gosh, I am so ready for you guys to see what's inside. Oh my gosh guys, look inside of this beautiful box. I'm already immersed inside the story. It says welcome explorers, and it says share your story, and there's like a cute little map in here. It looks like a jungle theme, and I'm already immersed in this story. And look how cute this paper is. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what's inside. All right, first item, I already see what I see, and it is the beautiful Mickey ears, well, mini ears, because there's the bow, and there is a cute little emblem in the middle. It is a Disney bedazzled Mickey in the middle, a hidden Mickey, and is like so beautiful. Look how beautiful, like sparkly these ears are. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear these in the park. Oh my gosh, and I can't wait to style them. I love how the bow is like cute and it's like blue. Kind of matches my ears right now, but oh my gosh, I love these ears so much. The next item in the box is a cute little keychain. Oh my goodness, it is a baby Grogu keychain. I can't wait to use this on my fanny pack. It is so cute. It's like he's drinking like a little coffee, and it's by BioWorld. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this cute little keychain. All right, next item in the box is this cute little charm. It is like a Mickey charm inside, like this. And I think I could put this on a bracelet or a necklace. This will be very cute. It's a Mickey Mouse little charm. And oh my gosh, it's cute. It says Charm It from Disney. And there's like a little Tinkerbell. Very cute. All right, next item we have is a cute little Tinkerbell pin. Look how cute Tinkerbell is. I can't wait to use this when I'm journaling. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to like, you know, tinker my little pixie dust in my journal with my cute little pin. Right, last but not least, what we have inside is a cute little baking book. Oh my goodness, it is a Disney Princess baking book, and I can't wait to see what's inside. It says bake with magic and celebrate Belle, Mulan, Ariel, and other treasured Disney princesses with this collection of over 70 recipes inside. What? Oh my gosh, and I can't wait to make these. These are like mermaid cupcakes. I am such a Ariel, Little Mermaid fan, and I can't wait to make some Little Mermaid cupcakes. I have the recipe now in here. I'm not gonna show you guys because maybe you could get in your own box, but there is a Ariel cupcake recipe in here. There is some Aladdin stone and sweetbread recipe. What? By Jasmine? Oh my gosh, guys. I can't wait to use my new baking book. All right guys, these are all the items I received in my box. I received up to 5 items, magical items filled with pixie dust inside, and I can't wait to use these on my daily Disney trips. I can't wait to use them on my daily lives. And thank you so much, Waltlife Boxes. I can't wait to receive my next one, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you guys so much. All right guys, if you want some more magic, you guys can use my code Kananiverse10 at checkout to save you some money on your very first Waltlife box. I can't wait for you guys to see what's inside your very own box. All right guys, that does it here for the video. I hope you enjoyed my very first magic mail experience, and I hope very soon you guys get your very own magic mail in the mail coming soon. And if you guys like this video, make sure you smash the like button, and if you haven't, subscribe down below for more fun here on Kananiverse, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!